Now to fulfill the requirements of the dashboard, we have to go for the calculated field, and calculated field option is available here, that is create calculated field. So we have to rename this. Say I am saying it as YTD total sales, and then I have to write a function, very simple function, and the Tableau instant is always available with you. If now here I want basically the year, that is year, and the date is also being populated over here. Now year of date is equal to say maximum. Why I am selecting maximum? Because whatever the year, it will take the maximum, like as I explained you 2023 or 2024. So current year will be the same as per your updated database. Here again maximum of year I have to select, and of course the corresponding date I have to select. Okay, then we have to write then condition, and what you need for this is basically the price. Okay, so price is the variable available with us, and then put the end. Okay, now it is showing some error, and that error is, you must read these errors carefully because it guides you in a very smart way, that cannot mix aggregate and non-aggregate arguments with this function. See, this is basically the aggregate function because it is the maximum of year and the date, and this is being compared with the non-aggregate function. Probably you remember that we have the same thing which was there in the Power BI. If you remember, I will give just 2 seconds. Do you remember that? Actually there was an option to create a column and create a measure in Power BI. In creating column, it was additionally it was taking some memory and it was physically creating a column there. But in case of creating measures, it was just writing a measure, means it was directly referring to a aggregate value without occupying any space in the memory. So that option is available here. So that is available with a fixed function. So I will select that function, that is fixed. So for fixed I have to give one colon here, that is the syntax, and just curly brackets. Even if you do not write the fixed function, still it will operate. Still it is showing the error. What is that error now? Result of the level DOL, the detail expression must be aggregate. So I forgot to write max here, so I will write max expression. Now it is showing the calculation is valid, so I will put it OK. Now this field is created for me here, that is YTD total sales. Now to again edit this field, you have the option here, or even you can duplicate this field. So I am duplicating this field and I am getting a copy of this. Now I will edit this function, and then I need the previous year to in the same function, but only I have to rename this. I will put the suffix as P, that is previous YTD total sales. I can delete this copy option here. Okay, and then what I have to write here is just -1, and then it will have this copy over here, and I will just say OK. So these two are the created fields for me, that is YTD total sales and then PYTD total sales. Now these two values are available with me. Now all the time what it will do, for YTD it will take the current year as 2021, and for previous it will take as 2020. Now this is how in a smart way the visionary dashboard creators will apply this logic, so that further additions of the years in your master database, and then it will basically address to the issues which are required for current and previous. The previous will become 2023 if current year is 2024, and that is how you can proceed with this. One more calculated field we need here, and that is because you need the YOY growth in the average price. So how you will get that YOY? These fields are already there with me, so we will calculate that in the next phase.